फोमेंतो ऑल इंडिया बुद्धिबळ सर्तीत महाराष्ट्राचो सौरव खेरडेकार वस्ताद. दुसरे इनाम तामिळनाडूच्या रामनाथन सुब्रमणियानाक. गोयचो अमी अवधी तिसऱ्या सुवातेर. इनामां दिवपाच्या सुवाळ्यात फोमेंतेचो चेअरमॅन अवधूत बाब आनी वुमन ग्रँडमास्टर भक्ती कुलकर्णी उलयली.
फुडार बरो जायत जाल्यार अप टू डेट रावंक जाय. इंटरनेट वापरून नव्यो नव्यो गजाली शिकूंक जाय. बुद्धिमत्तेच्या बळारूच तुम्ही मुखार सरूंक शकतात म्हूण फोमेंतोचे चेअरमॅन अवधूत बाबान उदेत्या चॅस प्लेयरांक कानमंत्र दिलो.
We need to sharpen our minds, and chess is something that will get us ready along with other subjects of the school and the colleges to adopt a new life, the new life of the mind. I think we must accept that labor component is winding down and mind component is being rewarded, and it will have a premium. Dr. Ashwini Kumar does research in malaria. That will have a premium. We need to get rid of malaria. We need to get rid of this. We need to publish papers. We need to have a dialogue. As Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru says, scientific temper. So we need to agree, disagree along the way, and then make life better. Unemployment is frightening, but it need not be a crushing defeat to all of us. We should learn how to enjoy leisure. Unemployment doesn't mean a devil's workshop. There's so much to be learned even while we are unemployed, and internet can help you. I can read today one book, one iPad or iPhone has 10 million books in it. That's your library. So go to the library every day and use your mind. Use the chess type of thinking to develop your mind, and that will solve the problem of the future generations. Please don't depend on the governments.
सुवाळ्यात भक्ती कुलकर्णीचो भोवमान जालो.
Please don't give up, because you have to learn from every game, whether you have lost or whether you have won. You have to just try to learn from every possible game. And of course, Fomento and Rudreshwar are major names in the Goan tournaments. Holding such a strong event for more than 5 and 6 years, it's really a very good job. So I want to congratulate the sponsors, the organizers, and also the team of the arbiters for holding this tournament and making it a success.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सुभाष कुटवळकार आणि तुकाराम मराठी.
लोढा समितीचे सुचोवणे प्रमाण गोवा क्रिकेट संघटनेच्या नेमावळीत दुरुस्ती जातली. जीसीएच्या आमसभे उपरांत एक्टिंग प्रेसिडेंट सूरज लोटलीकार मिडियाकडेन उलयलो. परवरे जीसीए दुरुस्तीचो प्रस्ताव चर्चेक घेवंक जीसीएची स्पेशल जनरल बॉडी मीटिंग जाली. दुरुस्तीचो प्रस्ताव 86-1 पास जालो. हेमंत आंगले ह्या आमसभेत समिती नाडपेन्ना करीत म्हूण दुबावान हायकोर्टात केल्लो.
लोढा समितीचे शिफारसी प्रमाण जीसीएचे नेमावळीत बदल जातलो. विदर्भ क्रिकेट असोसिएशनान लोढा समितीच्यो शिफारसी मानून घेतल्यात. विदर्भ क्रिकेट संघटनेन केल्ल्या बदलाचेर आदारून सुप्रीम कोर्टान नेमिल्ल्या कमिटी ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशनान गायडलायन तयार केल्या. ते प्रमाण खंय जीसीए फुडें वता.
द अजेंडा सेट फॉर दिस स्पेशल जनरल बॉडी मीटिंग वॉज द अमेंडमेंट टू द क्रिकेट असोसिएशन, गोवा क्रिकेट असोसिएशन एक्ट. As per the Loda Commission recommendation of Loda Committee, we discussed and general body resolved it by 86 voting in favor of this recommendation and 1 opposing the recommendation. Sports Weeks Club opposed it for some Hemant Angle for some points what he has raised. He thought that it should have been considered, but we were bound by the COA guidelines. The only one state association who has recommended and who had accepted this recommendation is Vidarbha Cricket Association. So based on the Vidarbha Cricket Association, the COA has prepared a checklist, and as per the checklist we have to recommend this and to be put it for before the approval of the COA.
आपलो जीसीएक विरोध ना. बीसीसीआयच्या 3 ऑफिशियलांचेर 19 सप्टेंबराक निमणी सुनावणी जातली. ते वेळार बीसीसीआयन लोढा समितीच्यो शिफारसी चालीक लावप काय ना तेंय थारतले. ते उपरांत बीसीसीआय खालच्या संघटनांनी त्यो शिफारसी मानून घेवंक जाय. हांगा जीसीएक घाई कित्याक जाल्या काय म्हूण आदलो रणजी प्लेयर हेमंत आंगलेचो प्रश्न.
दिस इज नॉट अगेन्स्ट द जीसीए, दिस इज अगेन्स्ट द लोधा कमिशन pushed in very quickly, because we are in a threat of the Supreme Court taking action against the 3 BCCI officials because they have been called for the final hearing on the 19th December, where 19th September, very sorry. In that hearing, the final hearing, they are going to decide to implement the total BCCI with the Lodha Commission constitution, and then the associations have to follow suit. But here I don't know the reason why they are rushing into those things. I am not.
धारगळे GCA क्रिकेट स्टेडियमाक जागो दिवचो म्हूण GCAचे सरकारा कडेन उलोवप चल्ला.
And I have also already initiated a discussion with the Honorable Chief Minister and Honorable Sports Minister to allot us the land in Dargad.
प्रुडंटा खातीर व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट तुकाराम मराठे.
हे बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात. प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करात. नमस्कार.